Ladies, we are doing 12 different ab exercises, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. And don't worry, you're not doing this by yourself. I'll be motivating you and guiding you from the beginning all the way to the end. So get yourself on your chair, because these are the workouts I make my one-on-one clients do. And I promise you, it's gonna burn. Let's go. Okay, ladies, so take a seat. No equipment is needed. All I need you to do is sit right on the edge of your chair, lean back, feet together, open up and close. So every time your feet go up off the floor, you squeeze that stomach. So squeeze now, relax. Squeeze now, relax. Let's go. Lovely, ladies, keep going, keep that tempo. Remember, mind-muscle connection, you're squeezing those abs every time your feet go up.
3, 2, 1.
Well done, well done. Take some deep breaths in. You get 15 seconds or so to shake it all off. Next exercise, hands on our head. We're gonna go into a bicycle crunch. So you lean back, hands on your head. We go into 1, 2, let's go. 1, 2, make sure your elbow is touching your knee and you're leaning back on your chair. So make sure you sit right on the edge, lean back and work. Let's go. Come on, keep going, keep going. Same tempo as me.
3, 2,
2 more.
1.
Ooh, great work. Ooh, we are going into wood choppers. Same thing, ladies. Make sure you're sitting on the edge of your chair. I want you to lean back, keeping tension on your stomach. Hands together. Start on the left side. As you go up, push your chest forward, lean back and twist. Make sure you're rotating, rotate, squeeze that stomach, rotate, squeeze that stomach. Keep pushing, we've got less than 10 seconds. Keep going.
3, 2, 1.
Well done, I am proud of you. And like I said, if you need that one-on-one support, I'm here to guide you. The link is in the description. We're going into high knees now. Sitting on the edge of your chair, hands behind for a bit of support. Bring those knees up to your chest, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Remember here, squeeze here, down. Squeeze, down. Fantastic work. Let's go. Bit faster now, last 10 seconds, bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2,
3,
1,
2,
2.
1.
Great work. Moving into Russian twist, we're staying exactly where we are, right on the edge of our chairs. We're gonna lean back, hands together, and we're going to rotate side to side. Yep. Make sure you're sitting right at the edge so you can lean back more, get more tension on your stomach, and twist. Feet together, I don't want them wide, keep them together. And your head should be following your hands. You shouldn't be doing this with your head straight. Your head is following around, following around. Keep going, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Great work. Now, our legs are gonna be fairly wide apart, yeah? Like you're in a sumo squat. Hands on your temple, elbow touching your knee, and lean back. So we go together. So we go right, back to the top, left, back to the top, and then we repeat again. Let's work. Come on, crunching. Oh, crunching, crunching. Ten more seconds to me, ladies. You got this. You got this.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, great work. All right, we're gonna stay on one side. Yep, so we're gonna stay just on the left-hand side. Very simple. Right hand, same thing on our heads, elbow into knee, and then we're gonna touch the tip of our toes. So it's one, touch, one, touch. Let's work. One, touch, one. Remember, we are sitting on the edge of our chairs. You shouldn't be all the way back. Sit right on the edge so you can lean back a bit more. Come on, 10 more seconds left for me. 10 more seconds.
Three, 2, 1.
Ooh, great work. Same thing, we are moving on the opposite side. Hands on our temple, elbow into knee, crunching, lean back, then stretch. You're doing amazing, by the way. Let's work. Hands on your head, elbow into knee, touch that toe. 1, 2. Come on, don't slow it down. Don't slow it down. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Three, 2, 1.
This is good. This is really good. All right, we're gonna be working more of our obliques, so more the side here, yeah? It's gonna be very simple. Keep your back nice and straight, keep your stomach nice and tight. Hands on your head, you're gonna go as far down as possible without moving your hips or your legs. As you come up, you squeeze back in the middle, opposite side. Squeeze to come back up. Squeeze.
Three, 2, 1.
Ooh, great work. And we are going to pick up the intensity now. We're coming up to the last part of our session today. Again, you are doing great. Just keep up with me. I know you can do it. Holding onto your chair, you're gonna bring yourself off the chair, high knees, nice and fast. Let's do this. If you can go faster than me, go faster than me. But make sure you're squeezing those abs. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
3, 2, 1.
Well done. Ooh, don't know about you, but that burnt. And we're gonna do hand claps. So you're gonna bring your feet further out. Don't have to be completely straight. You're gonna lift up, clap under. Yep, squeeze here. Clap, clap, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make sure you're crunching in when this leg comes up. So you crunch in when you clap. Crunch in, lean back. Crunch in, lean back. Come on, 10 more seconds. Don't slow down on me. Let's finish up strong.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, we've got one more, the last exercise. And if you know me, you know what it's gonna be. We're going into mountain climbers. So we're gonna spin round on our chairs and let's get those knees up. Come on, ladies, find that tempo. Find that tempo. We're nearly done, we're nearly
3,
done.
2, 1.
Ooh, great work, every single one of you. I am proud of you. 12 minutes, your abs should be burning. You might even have a little sweat on your forehead. But what I need you to do is give yourself a round of applause. That was good.